In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name in Monopoly Go. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to express your unique personality through a new username, updating your account name is a quick and easy process that anyone can do. We'll walk through it step by step, so let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you want to ensure is that your Monopoly Go app is updated to the latest version. This is important because having the most recent update can prevent any glitches or issues when trying to make changes. If you're unsure whether your app is up to date, just head over to your app store and check for any available updates. Once you're all set, go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. Give the app a moment to fully load before proceeding to the next steps. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This icon is often referred to as the menu or hamburger icon, and tapping it will take you to a variety of settings and options. When you press on those lines, you will access a menu with all the different customizable features that the app offers. Now look for your profile icon within that menu setting. Your profile icon is a gateway to personalization, allowing you to change your name, adjust settings, and more. Tap on the icon to open up your profile details. With this profile page in front of you, you can start editing your information. Click on the name section and enter your desired new account name. Think about your new name carefully because this is how other Monopoly Go players will recognize you. Whether going for something creative, fun, or simple, make sure it expresses exactly what you want. After entering your new account name, take a moment to double check that everything looks just right. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and hit the Save Changes button. This will confirm your new name and you're all set. Your updated account name will now appear across Monopoly Go, marking a fresh identity in the game. And just like that, you've successfully updated your name in Monopoly Go. Wasn't that simple? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Your support helps us bring more quick Monopoly Go tips and tutorials your way. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.